Got a little Ike action to start here. A little underspin. A little square ball action.
Yeah, so after working those shallow areas with the moving baits, crankbaits, and so on, I see lots of fish on the grass suspended, so I grabbed the drop shot here.
Felt that bite. Hopefully I got a hook set on. He didn't swam with the boat. Come on, baby. First bass in a while, I guess. Nice. Zoom finesse worm, so it won't matter, but we will take it, guys. An old school Zoom finesse worm. I haven't thrown that in a while. That's a chunky dude here. Right. First one in a while. All right, first bass for me in a few weeks. I was due just to sit out here and grind, and I found some a little bit deeper out here. Fished them real slow, and bam, bit it, swam with the boat. All right, let's keep on. Got one. Look at that little guy. Look at that deep little sunfish and a little spoon again. Check him out. Right, little sunfish at the goon on the little spoon here. Check him out. Alright, dude. Get back down there. Later. All right, another deep school, little sunfish, bluegill, whatever, but just down here at the goon now. Same kind of deal as it was at the upper. This really bunched together on a little bit of structure. Tough getting them to bite, but finally got one to hit the little magic spoon there. All right, let's try to drop down on them again, see if they'll bite again. There's one. Oh, that's a good one on the crank, baby. That's a good one on the crank. There's a good one on the crank. Oh. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Heavy. Oh, yes. Oh, baby. That's what we want right there, boys. Yes. Oh, yeah. Whew. That's what we're talking about, baby. Nice one. All right. Nice deep crankbait fish right there. Let's go. Nice fish. Probably almost 3. Yep. 2.7. Still a good one. There you go, man. There's some water. Gotta love that deep crankbait bite. My buddy Richie got one on that bait last time we were out here. Lost another really good one. So go check out his video too, Where We Wild channel. But finally I got one. So that felt good. A couple bass and a little sunfish after a couple slow trips. And I'm gonna keep throwing this crankbait. Actually a couple more hours left, so let's do it. Yeah, so again, after covering water with that jig, I see another school of fish deep down there. So I drop down that spoon again on them. Yes, yes, baby. Triple threat. Look at the triple threat. Oh, baby, let's go. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Lagoon Trifecta. Bass, crappie, sunfish. Stinger hook. Look at that guy. Yeah, baby. Crappie. Beauty. Well, little goon trifecta right there. The sunfish, bass, a couple bass actually, that's right. And then the crappie, got a little school. Yeah, that's cool. Caught 4 fish already this afternoon, so I'm gonna stay a little bit longer, see if we can get a couple more. All right. Oh, that's a good fish. Or no, maybe not. It's just a good crappie. Yeah, let's freaking go, baby. Yes. Ooh-wee. Look at that crappie hitting the spoon. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Oh, crappie number 2. It's cool. My buddy Jonathan, the junior angler on YouTube, make sure you go check him out. He's got great videos and everything on Instagram too. He's camping here, so I was like, you want a couple crappie? So he's gonna take them from me, so that's cool. So all right, see if we can get another bite. Lake's gonna close soon, so 17.5-er on the crank. Let's go. Ooh. Well, that was fun. Successful little afternoon after a couple slow ones, so I'll take it. But that biggest one on the crank, which is cool, and the rest of everything deep, just kind of around little structure out there. But it was a beautiful afternoon, and especially for November, it's nice and warm. So, well, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next one.